Hey Royal Trucking family, it's your girl Queen Trucking and I'm back with another video. Today I am gonna be dropping what everybody asked in one of my last videos, the video where I drove a truck for the first time. I asked y'all, hey, if y'all want me to drop this pre-trip video, I need y'all to be in my comments asking for it. Some of you guys asked for it, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna drop it because you guys asked. This first video is going to be the engine compartment. I'm going to break down this pre-trip to get your Class A CDL in 4 sections. Those 4 sections are your engine compartment. Your second section is your fuel driver door. Your third section is your coupling area, and your fourth section is your trailer. So this is section 1, which is going to be your engine compartment, and I'm going to continue to drop all of these out, and I'm also going to leave all of these videos in a nice organized playlist. Okay, you guys want to run through all of the pre-trips after all of them are dropped without having to go through the other videos that are going to get uploaded, make sure y'all go check out that playlist. That playlist is going to be down on my channel. You scroll down under uploads and you're going to see playlist, and it's going to be labeled pre-trip playlist. So if y'all want to see these pre-trips, I'm going to leave a playlist just for you guys so you guys can see what's up. But enough of this talking. Without further ado, let's get into this engine compartment. Bye.
So I'm gonna check for leaks, right?
Yes.
Alright, check for leaks. There's no leaks, no nothing underneath?
No.
Alright, that's the first thing you do. Next we'll come over on this side. This is an AC compressor. This is what people get confused on. This is AC compressor. This down here is your alternator.
Oh, okay.
Alright. It's a belt-driven alternator too. Alright. Next I'm gonna check my belt-driven alternator. Pump and mount secure, not cracked, bent, or broken. No abrasion, bulges, or cuts. And the belt is not worn, torn, or frayed.
Okay.
Right? And the wires are not exposed. Are fully connected. Belt is, there's no free plate between it. 1/2 inch to 3/4. You know. Alright. Work my way out. I'm gonna do my junior hoses.
Okay.
You know, hoses here, this here, you know, and stuff.
Okay.
Pump and mount secure, not cracked, bent, or broken, even though it's hoses. It's not worn, torn, or dry rotted. And if it's hoses,
It's not leaking. Okay.
Hose is not leaking. Whether it's fluid, air, you know, no matter what it is, it's not leaking.
Okay.
Passenger side, now I'll come over here and do my driver's side.
Okay.
Right? Junior hoses on my driver's side. You know, my hoses would be this, you know, here.
Okay.
Airlines are part of it. This is the only one that ain't, because it's part of your steering.
Okay.
Check my junior hoses, pump and mount secure, not cracked, bent, or broken, and not leaking.
Okay.
Okay. Next, I'm gonna check my steering reservoir. Right here. Pump and mount secure, not cracked, bent, or broken, and is not leaking. And since it's fluid in a reservoir and stuff, and the hub and the tire, it's filled to a manufacturer specification. I'm gonna do my belt-driven water pump, which is right here and right there.
The bill is in the back. Okay. And we gotta check. We gotta
See
hit
what I
both of
pointed
them.
at?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, this is right here. Yeah, it's right there for you. That's the belt-driven water pump. Pump and mount secure, not cracked, bent, or broken, is not leaking, and the belt is not worn, torn, or dry rotted, or frayed. The way I do it is I started out here with hoses, this, and you know, hoses and this. I work my way down to my pump, kind of going in. Now I'm going to do my dipstick.
Okay. Okay.
It's fill 2 minutes. That's it. See my deal here? And bike bearing the frame. You really can't see it, but it's pointing right back here. It's on the inside of the frame on the engine. Here inside the frame, back down in there, you really can't see it. But your gear-driven AC compressor and your power steering
Are back there. Okay.
It's inside the frame. It's hard to see on these frame rates.
So if you were in, like, say, the exam, you would just point in that direction.
Like I got
a stick.
My gear-driven AC compressor. It's pump and mount secure, not cracked, bent, or broken, and it's not leaking air. It's gear-driven because it's mounted to the engine.
Okay.
All right. My gear-driven steering pump, pump and mount secure, not cracked, bent, or broken, it is not leaking.
Okay.
All right. Next, I'm gonna check my reservoir. I do my reservoir. properly mounted secured, not cracked, printed, broken. It is not leaking, and it is filtered.
Yeah.
I have trouble saying that really quick.
Yeah.
Hoses.
Okay.
They're properly mounted secured, not cracked, printed, broken, and no pressure bolts are cut, and they're not leaking.
Okay.
Next, I'm going to check my steering gearbox. It's properly mounted secured, not cracked, printed, broken, and it is not leaking.
Okay.
Even though this part of your steering, it's not on it.
Okay.
Right. This is a steering linkage. This Pitman arm.
Okay.
Drag linkage.
And tire rod.
Back here, the one that goes from this side to that side over there, that's tie rod.
Okay.
Properly mounted secured at both ends.
Okay.
Since it's tied at both ends, properly mounted secured, not cracked, bent, or broken, and none are missing. And no missing castle nuts. See how it kind of looks like a castle? Castle nuts and cotter pins.
Oh, okay. Oh, so the castle nut is the thing that goes around it, and then the cotter pin is the.
nut.
Oh, okay.
So I sit there between those holes on the nut, you know, has a castle pin. Just like through it, and then bolt the other. Well, I guess.
Okay.
So what I do now, since I'm down there, and I've done my linkage and stuff, I'm gonna do my spring hanger right there. One's right there, the other one's way back here. So your leaf spring's right here.
Okay.
It's attached there. It's attached way back here.
Oh, okay.
Right here underneath.
So the long thing is the leaf spring.
Leaf spring is that.
Okay, and then this is the leaf spring is which one? The long.
Leaf spring is this right here.
Yeah.
That's leaf spring. See how it's attached right here? Followed all the way back here. See where it's attached right here? The deal that's going up down is your spring hangers.
Spring hangers. Okay.
Spring hangers.
So
spring mounts, spring hangers. So they're probably not secured, not cracked, bent, or broken, and none are missing. Okay. Now, my leaf spring. The front's a leaf spring because it goes attached to that bolt. On the trailer and the truck, spring on because it goes back and attaches to an airbag. It's probably not secured, not cracked, bent, or broken, and it is not shifted. What I mean by shifted, you don't want to see any movement. See how that's clean right there? If you see any movement right there, then your bolts are short or either broke or they've come loose. Properly not secured, not cracked, bent, broken, and not shifted. My U-bolts properly not secured, not cracked, bent, or broken, and none are missing. And I throw that shit thrown in.
Okay.
That way you know what you're doing. Next to my shock absorber, that's this thing right here.
Okay.
It's properly not secured at both ends, and it is not leaking.
Okay.
Because it is filled with, I don't know what kind of fluid it is. And I go, next I do my airlines.
Okay.
Properly mounted secured at both ends. It's not a no pressure bolts whatsoever, and it is not leaking. You don't have to say what kind of leaking, but it's not leaking.
Okay.
Next I'm gonna check my brake chamber. That's this metal deal on top. Properly mounted secured, not cracked, or broken, and it is not leaking.
Okay.
Next I'm gonna check my slack adjuster and purger rod. That's this deal right here. This right here. This is your slack adjuster, and this little rod right here is your push rod.
Okay. So are you supposed to more than 1 inch of?
Yeah. What you do is you chop your wheels. You set your park brake, what releases the brakes, and you should not be able to pull more than 1 inch.
Oh, okay. Okay.
All right. Next is your brake drum, which is in here. This right here is your brake drum. This right here.
Oh, okay. I see.
Brake drum. And then the inside is your brake lining.
Okay.
Your brake shoes, brake pads, where it was called. Brake drum is properly not secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. What I like to do is throw in no oil or debris. If there's any oil debris, the pads ain't going to grip very good. It's very dangerous.
Okay.
Brake lining, properly not secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. No oil debris on it, because you don't want to see it on it.
Okay.
And not worn dangerously thin. I'm going to jump out here.
Okay.
Back here, underneath this, is a hub seal.
Okay.
The hub is on the front. Axle is the back because there's a full axle. There's just the hub. There's no hub going across.
Okay.
Alright. Right. The hub seal, properly not secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. And this is a seal. It's got hub oil in it. Back here will have axle oil.
Okay.
They could be probably pretty close to the same thing. But not cracked already, and it's not leaking. And no tube matter. I cannot say that. I've said it so many times. I'm trying to.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. My wheel on both sides, properly mascara, not cracked, been broken, and there is no authorized holes or welds.
Yeah.
And no cracks.
Okay.
I just like throwing no cracks in because I don't want to see nothing done on my wheels. Next is my lug nuts, which lug nuts, proper mascara, not cracked, been or broken, and none are missing. And there's no cracks around the lug nut hose, no rust or white powder residue.
Okay. So that means they're loose, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're loose or something's wrong.
Okay.
Next will be tire.
The actual tire.
This proper mascara, not cracked, been or broken, no abrasion, bulges or cuts. With the air gauge, check with an air gauge filter manifest, and the tread depth is what on the front steer?
It's 432.
432.
And then it's 232.
One way I like to teach it: if your backs are 2 and the trailer's 2, you add the 2 together, you know what the front is.
Okay.
Little trick. I remember.
Okay.
You can add those together, 430 seconds. That's basically that.
Okay, so that was the whole engine.
That would be a cool Pretrip on the engine.
Okay. We just finished watching the engine compartment. So if you guys feel like that I missed out on anything, or if you guys needed me to be a little bit more clear on stuff, or if you guys have any questions about anything that y'all seen today, please leave a comment below. I answer everybody, literally everybody who comments. I always make sure I comment back to let you guys know that I am here with y'all. Any questions you have, if you don't want to leave a comment, you can email me. If you don't want to do that, you can go to my Instagram. You can follow me on Instagram, _pink_couture_. I have the link down below in my description if y'all don't want to comment. And you guys can just hit me up on Instagram through a private DM. I answer all messages from all subscribers because I am here to help y'all. So just let me know what's up. I'm always here. I'm always gonna come in as much as possible, okay? That being said, thank you guys so much for watching this pre-trip video, okay? I will be getting the other videos out. This was the engine compartment. I'm going to be doing next is the front fuel door, driver door. I just got in from my training, as you guys can see. Yes, I did take my hair down. I surely did, okay? Surely did. It's in a little puff ball. I don't know if y'all can you see that? Yeah. It's a little puff ball back there. But anyway, I took my hair down because it was time for it to come down. So make sure you guys should watch out for those videos. I got them coming to you, okay? And bye.